I tell you one thing I have to get at the Chinese restaurant. That is crab ragoon. Crab ragoon. Boy, there is something about those things that are special. Little pillows, beautiful pillows. Just today, my friends, we're gonna do a crab ragoon grilled cheese on the Blackstone griddle. Whoo! It's gonna be some good groceries, I guarantee it. And we're gonna get started right now. Softened cream cheese, whipped cream cheese actually. I like using the whipped cream cheese. It's nice and soft already. Don't have to do a whole lot. Makes it nice, makes it easy, and it's still really delicious. So I got, that's probably a little bit too much. This is like 1.5 containers of this here. This is whipped Philadelphia cream cheese. How many ounces? I think it's 8 ounces, yeah. So roughly 12 ounces of this stuff right here, okay? Put that right there. I might need some more, so I'll stick it right there. I looked at recipes, crab ragoon, it's all over the place. It's like everything else. I do know that it has green onions in it. And I'm just gonna finally chop some of these green onions. I got the griddle pre-warmed, got it on low heat, 350-ish or so, okay? And you can see we're 317, anywhere from 350. Got that on my little handy dandy griddle temperature chart and about where it should be with your knobs. Check it out online. I was out for a little while. Everybody likes them. Thank you all for who have got them. It'll stick right onto your griddle. We'll put that up onto the screen for you. Going to put those green onions. We might need a little bit more, may not, I don't know, we'll see. But put those into your bowl. Imitation crab. That's what a lot of these crab ragoon, not a lot, well, there's some that use real crab. And I did get some real crab too, but I thought this is what we get when we go to the darn Chinese restaurant and we eat them. So let's use what they use, okay? Yeah, there we go. Just I chopped it up a little bit, plus it'll flake off. You don't want big chunks. I never seen big chunks of crab ragoon or crab in the crab ragoon. It's always just really fine. So I'm just gonna use our fingers to kind of mix this up a little bit. Put that over into our cream cheese. A few other things I saw folks use. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, just a dash. That gives it a little nice, that funkiness. Use garlic powder. Some did use garlic powder, some didn't use garlic powder. Guess you could use some fresh garlic if you like. I'm going to use a little bit of onion powder as well. I thought, why not? Okay. And last but not least, salt. A little bit of salt. Just a pinch, like that. Now let's mix this up. So I'm kind of interested. Jacob has never had crab ragoon before. He says, I don't know what that is. Never heard of it. And have you ever had crab ragoon? I get it every time. And Jacob has never heard of it. You ever had Chinese before, Jacob? Yes. Never had. I don't know. These dang kids. I think it needs a few more green onions, just to be quite honest. That about failed. A little bit of green onions. That's what I like. I like the green onions in mine. So good. So good. There we go. I'm gonna give this a try just with my little old finger. I think it needs a little bit more of that crab. A little bit more of that crab. Let's see if I can just break it up with my fingers. Yeah, check it out. It's flaky. It says it's flaky. Now, we build our grilled cheese. And we're using Texas toast. I couldn't find any North Carolina toast anywhere, but I got Texas toast. You ever seen any North Carolina toast before, Jacob? No. No, me neither. Wouldn't it be cool if every state had toast? Like, I got some Tennessee. Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, I'm sure Texas is hot too. It's been hot here. Hot and muggy. I think we'll do, I don't know if we'll make 4 or not. We'll see. Ooh, yeah. I don't know. I don't think we need mayonnaise with this.
Breaking a state law.
Breaking a state law, y'all. Probably should do mayonnaise. But, yeah. I don't know. Knock it off, Jeff! Told him knock it off. Jeff. Jeff Anderson. You want to put a good amount of this in here. Okay? Gosh, I hope the police don't come get me. Lack of Duke's mayo. You know, if they had Jacob toast, you know what it would taste like? Salty. It'd be salty.
You'd probably like it.
It'd be so salty you couldn't even eat it.
I like a little sour.
Cause you're a salty joker. I'm gonna put some more on this one. We're really wanting this thing to be good. Let's go over to the griddle. We're gonna get these grilled cheese going, all right? Put a little bit of butter down because that's what you do with the grilled cheese. I like butter. If you want mayonnaise, you wanna do mayonnaise on your grilled cheese for the bread, you know, go right ahead. I like butter. I've done mayonnaise before, but I like butter. I'm gonna put one grilled cheese right there. There. So these are gonna take a little bit, and we're just gonna let them go. I want a nice toasty exterior on this, guys. And normally I have these nice weights that I like to put on grilled cheeses. I don't wanna do that here. I'm afraid that with the heat and this heat, that the cream cheese probably ooze out a little bit. So we're just gonna go real leisurely pace here, leisurely pace. And we're gonna toast this bread up, and it's gonna be kind of like that wonton wrapper that you're used to with that crab Rangoon. And we got a dipping sauce too. We'll come back in about 2 minutes, all right, 2 minutes. Our 2 minutes is up, and now we flip. I'll go this way. Ooh, look at that exterior. Look at that exterior. Boy, it looks so good. Go over. Look at that exterior. Boy, these are gonna be good. These are gonna be good. I probably should have added a little bit of butter to each side there. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'll bring these back like this right here. Have no fear. You know, like old Bob Ross says, just a happy little mistake. And it can be fixed. So we put butter down. Okay, just like that. And now we put it right there. See there? Who's a star, huh? Who's a star? You are, little doggies. There we have it. Nice and toasty. Let's see. Yep, look at that. Ooh, got a little bit of little cheese action. I think they're ready. All right. How easy is that? Let's give one of these suckers a try. I'll put these over here so you can see a little bit better. I like this one. It's got nice and toasty. All right, let's give this a cut. We'll try to be real careful not to let the stuff ooze out. But, woo, look at that. Ain't that pretty? Give it a try. Give it a try. Come on. Mmm. Oh, got a little dipping sauce. Normally, you get that crab Rangoon. Oh man, oh that's so good. Get some of this sweet Thai chili sauce to dip it into. Oh boy, it's full of some of that mixture right there. Let's give it a little dunky in there. I don't know how to describe that imitation crab. It's kind of a sweet meat, but then that creaminess of the cream cheese. A little bite of onion is in there as well from the green onions. Whew, it's good. Mmm. Now that. Mmm. That, my friends, is where it's at. Boy, that sauce. Ah. Mmm. I got some right here. No. Mmm. Y'all, give this crab Rangoon grilled cheese a try. I guarantee, I feel like I got something else. I guarantee you're gonna like it. Give it a try. Might be some bloopers at the end. Check them out. If not, appreciate you. Love you. Bye.